How to reactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have previously deactivated your account and you look forward to reactivate your account, then simply go ahead and open Instagram and you will be led to the login portal. Here, enter your username, email, or phone number associated with the account that you want to reactivate and then enter the password. Finally, tap on the login option, and with this, you will be asked if you want to reactivate your account. So tap on the reactivate option you see there, and with this, your account will be reactivated and restored instantly. But if you reactivated your account too soon, that is within 24 hours of deactivation, then you might have to wait a bit longer before logging in again. Also, make sure that you can only deactivate your account once per week. So make sure not to deactivate and reactivate your account time and again to avoid future deletion of your account. So this is how you can reactivate your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.